What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover Bitcoin again, or BTC if you don't know the abbreviation, but you do know that. I think after today and the last 24 hours, so I did an analysis on it yesterday as well, it has actually been more bearish, and not more than we expected, but some big moves we talked about in the analysis have happened. So I thought it would be interesting to take a look at it again and what potentially could happen from now on. So the volume is kind of the same. It's quite low, but it has been lower. So if we take a look at the analysis, I said that we could either consolidate between 38,000 and 40,000 ultimately for a little while longer, or we would see a move like this quickly towards that 37,500 level, and from there find more of some bullish days. And I still believe in that. So I still believe that this is the last support we can actually reach, which could be a bold claim because we did actually go lower at the beginning or the end of January and stuff beginning this year. But I still really feel like this will hold. So if we kind of zoom out to the daily, you can see this trend line. This trend line has held on for quite a long time. So I think there are basically two scenarios which can happen. And we're first going to talk about the scenario I believe in, and that is that we will see a little bit more of some bullish days. So what I mean with that is that we'll at least get up to like 39,500 again, consolidate probably a little while longer between ultimately 40,000 and 38,000. And then after a while, so maybe within like 1.5 weeks, I do expect that we'll be able to get up to 41,000 again. And what happens at that level is really hard to say right now. If I'm being 100% honest with you, I think the biggest chance is that we'll actually reject off of that level down to at least 39,000 again. But I mean, crypto is very unpredictable, as you all know. So there's also the possibility to actually break above 41,000, take a break retest off of it, and maybe get into some more of a bullish market structure, which we haven't seen for almost a month. It's almost a month ago, or it is a month ago, that we had these bullish days, which were great. Now, obviously, we're a little bit down in the gutter, but I do think, as I said, in this scenario, which I believe in, I think we got like a 60-70% chance of that happening. I do think we can see some short-term bullishness, but apart from that, the market structure still isn't bullish as long as we stay below 41,000. And the other scenario, which we need to explore, is that this level does not hold. So that 37,500 does not hold. And the moment we close below that level, I think we'll instantly see a move down to 36,000 and 35,500, which would be really bad in my opinion, because that will, see, on the daily now we can still argue that we're in some sort of an uptrend, or at least there's like a really slow uptrend, or at least kind of like a bullish consolidation, if you know what I mean. So consolidation that's moving up, but once we do this, we actually over the long term come into more of a neutral consolidation, which also gives the possibility to drop down to 33,000 again, as we did at the end of January. So that would be disastrous, I think. Not for the long-term future of Bitcoin, but for the short term, definitely. And I know a lot of you thought that we had the possibility to get back into a bull market again with these moves. Well, when we drop down to 33,000, getting back into a bull market is actually way further away than if we actually hold this 37,500 level. So really a lot is depending on that level, I think, at least. Because you must know that this is just my opinion, just my analysis, and I could definitely be wrong. So, but yeah, that's basically my analysis on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.